This I'm here to host this podcast. I'm hijacking this podcast.
Yeah, please do, please.
No, I would like you to ask her.
No, this is not a podcast. This is a chat.
It's a chat.
The more you guys talk, the better. The less I have to talk, the better.
Yes.
तो आपको कैसे पता चला हमारे बारे में?
क्या आपको
कभी सोचा था क्या?
कभी सोचा था आप हमारे साथ यहाँ पे बैठी होंगी?
To be honest, मैंने कभी नहीं सोचा था. पता है, when I reached out to you guys individually, I mailed him. I reached out to you later. I texted you on Instagram. I was like, भाई तो respond नहीं करेंगे. नहीं आएगा. Because like you guys have made yourself up. इस जगह पे पहुँचाया खुद को with your art that I was not expecting a text.
We saw it together and पहले तो हमने बोला जाने दे. Honestly. Then we read it ध्यान से. I felt then I saw the fact that you are a Kashmiri. So it was like नहीं यार मतलब it should do it. We should do it.
Sweet.
Most of the interviews they are the same old thing, right?
Right.
And what is the point of a podcast if nobody listens to you,
True.
right? But I think the kind of people you have on your panel and the fact that the host herself is Kashmiri, I think that adds
makes a lot of difference.
I was like I said mentioned earlier, मैं बहुत nervous थी. When I was not hoping, but when you texted and then when we spoke and then we met, I was like, if this has to happen, it has to be with you guys in the first episode. मैं चाहती भी नहीं थी कि podcast ये interview हो because I've seen you guys in interviews and I think एक point के बाद बहुत mind numbing हो जाता है वो क्योंकि repetitive questions और
मैंने क्या किया? फिर इंसान झूठ बोलना स्टार्ट करता है.
हाँ, but you make things up
You
to
make stories.
See, I never make
yourself
stories,
sound.
honestly. लेकिन I don't want to say the same story every time.
Every time, true.
Like, I don't want to tell everybody everything in a podcast, and I'm not media trained. I don't know what to say and what not to.
True.
So mostly myself. So when I look at myself in a podcast, I'm like, भाई ये नहीं कहना चाहिए था तुझे. It happens with me sometimes.
True.
They're scared.
But I was honestly surprised to get a response from you because you being you keep your space very sacred, which is great. But I was honestly very surprised that you agreed
I
and
feel it had to happen.
हाँ. और जीशान ने भी
it
कॉल
was
किया
written.
था.
हाँ मेरी the first person who decided to come on board was Zishan और Zishan और मैंने I think इस बारे में 1-1.5 घंटा बात की and he has a very I don't know अगर आप लोगों ने Friends देखा है तो
Of course.
a very interesting sense of humor like Chandler.
Yes, he does. Yes.
Wow.
This बहुत peculiar sense of humor है उसका जो अगर I think once you tune on that frequency then you can't get out of it.
He likes our sense of humor. Yeah, he does.
That's what matters.
But you can't unhinge yourself everywhere,
That's true.
right? So how did you basically think that you wanted to do this?
See, I did my schooling and everything from Delhi. We moved out because of my father's job and the other things. So I could see that we have so much of people here who are doing so well. मतलब इतना immense talent है. And I think we as Kashmiris are very creative in some way or the else. Yeah. And it's so untapped and so unappreciated. Like every time मैं किसी को बोलती हूँ मैं कश्मीर से हूँ, अरे वहाँ वाज़वान कितना अच्छा मिलता है. Like stalls कितने अच्छे हैं. I'm like there are other things to us यार. मतलब we are not just Gushtaba Rista and two stalls. We have so much more to us.
Right.
And I mean ठीक है. People say that Kolkata is a very artistic place. Great, they've given us some beautiful writers and singers, but so do we. And I just feel like, bhai, baat to karo.
It's called the land of Sufis.
For a very reason.
Pirwar, Kashmiri में Pirwar कहते हैं उसको.
True.
Of course, it has to.
So that's what made me decide, Mega, since nobody is doing it, and because I'm known to do the
I
most.
take all the responsibility.
You know, I think for me to basically be here and do this, the reason is the fact that you are a Kashmiri Pandit. I have immense love and respect for the Pandit brethren. Like it comes from my father. He has studied he's gone to school with Pandit friends, and I've seen him longing for, like, you know, to get reconnected
That
with
bond
those
again,
guys.
yes.
And it's the same feeling for all of us.
All of
Or,
us.
like, when we make lists of artists who we would now want to, like, you know, at least do a camp with and tell us what we have learned. I have been waiting to see, ki, you know, I want to get some Kashmiri Pandit artists on board. So I want that sense of harmony to, like, come back. That sense of mutual respect as we do, as we share. So that's why this is really special. This is different.
This is different. The energy is different.
Yes.
The vibe is different. Maybe.
Thank
the
you.
conversation is going to be different for sure.
Why did Heather decide to come on board? I'm interested in Heather. Interested in Heather का क्या reason था? Reason तो क्या मतलब? What made you say yes to this?
रीजन ये था कि मैंने तो ये
He
तो
doesn't
गा
have
रहा
a
है
choice.
मैं ये तो अकेले क्यों जा रहा हूँ मुझसे क्या
Yeah, he doesn't have a choice. Heather के मामले में I think it's always हाँ.
Yeah.
If it's Fahim and I,
Yes, he will
Haider
hop
has to
on.
be there.
it has to be there
No matter what.
see there are certain things which make sense to my brain ठीक है तो उनके लिए मैं कभी ओवरथिंक गलती से भी नहीं करता हूँ मैं बस इंस्टेंटली हाँ बोल देता हूँ एंड ये वैसी चीज़ थी मैंने देखा कि ये तो बहुत मतलब जब मैंने ग्रुप में वो मैसेज पढ़ी आपकी लिखी एंड आई गॉट टू नो कि किन चीज़ों के बारे में बात होने वाली है तो ये बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग टॉपिक था एंड हाँ इट हैड टू हैपन
And I think he's very open to new things, experimenting and seeing what happens. You know?
Hyderabad is all about experimenting new things. हमारे so I call sometimes Fahim and Haider. I call them toxic couples.
नहीं वो यार टॉक्सिक कपल
Sometimes we are.
मैं खुद को इन्वॉल्व नहीं करना चाहता था बट हकीकत बात तो ये हम टॉक्सिक है क्योंकि हमारी राय कभी सेम नहीं होती म्यूजिक
कभी भी नहीं चला तो दिन भर स्टूडियो में
But I think that's where the best.
I feel like
things
that is
come
the
out.
most beautiful thing that
हाँ.
happened
True.
because ना उसकी चलती है ना मेरी चलती है
उस गाने की चलती है. You know, the song chooses its fate.
जो उसके लिए बेस्ट होता है वही होता है हर बार
You guys पहले मुझे लगा you both are like the parenting and he's the your adopted child. The
I mean,
way you
that's
guys were babying him
Very
around.
much so. Yeah, but I think, you know, Arslan and I, over these years, we have, मतलब ऐसा एक सबको महसूस होता है, you know, जो भी हमारे पास आता है, हमारे साथ बैठता है, मिलता है. Everybody has the same thought कि, you know, all these boys that we have and we are very proud of. Because मुझे लगता है कि, you know, they are making the right choices at their age. हमें थोड़ा सा टाइम लग गया
जो
चीजें
हम ना
करने
कर
में, you know,
पाए।
we learned things the hard way, but these guys at least they have something to build on.
True.
तो वो हमें एक सेंस ऑफ रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी रही है अरसलान और मुझे, एंड वी हैव डिस्कस्ड इट थ्रू एंड थ्रू. मतलब तुम म्यूजिक करोगे, पॉपुलर होगे, पैसा कमाओगे, फिर कितना? We were never after popularity or making
कभी
money
भी
out of
नहीं।
music. We wanted to do this because we wanted to bring people together and make an ecosystem here, जो कि था नहीं.
Right.
यहाँ पे ऐसा कोई इकोसिस्टम देखने को मिला नहीं हमको भी being really honest हमसे पहले भी अगर let's suppose that we meet him we used to sit down at this place called Sut
Okay.
it's somewhere in Nishar जो फीस वाला रोड जाता है तो I think most of the time we used to sit there either him or I or either it had to be Haider तो वही एक जगह थी हमारी जहाँ हम डिस्कस करते थे what next if it's supposed to be this way आगे क्या करना
आगे क्या करना है
So I think वो कहते हैं ना वो 18 से घर बनता है
You both were
And it
basically
constant ऐसा रहता
path
है
break.
कि
path
आगे क्या
breakers
करना
of this.
है
and alhamdulillah very happy
अभी तक
with
जो
the
भी हुआ है.
thing whatever we have done अभी तक जो जितना भी हमने किया हुआ है
Yeah, alhamdulillah. I
That's been
mean,
very grateful.
God has been kind. We are so grateful, and it does not, you know, every day we even talk about this to each other कि man humble रहना है. Humble
No matter
रहना
what you
बहुत
have to
ज़रूरी है. Because if you take it to your head, you're messed.
खलास it's gone
It will be taken away from you.
But the fact that आप लोगों में sense of realization है, this introspection है, does this somewhere come from your parents? To the other ones
Of course,
who,
I mean,
who get you down?
upbringing is very important.
बहुत ज़्यादा there
It's
there
very
always
important.
have to be that scent of your parents or maybe your grandparents
Right.
It has to be there, no matter what.
Because I'm sure there might be people जिन्होंने who might have done very good for themselves, पर
Not for the
it gets to their head.
This reminds me of what Muneem bhai often writes to me in the chat. जब भी हम catch up करते हैं, he writes, Lala, heart high, head low.
Muneeb bhai also said one thing to me, I still remember, is that never care about your reputation. जब आप भूल जाओगे that you have a reputation, you start making yourself.
Yeah.
So never think about.
He says, "Sen baggage nu döre." Baggage, you say baggage, you should döre. Because if you carry it with you, it will weigh you down.
True.
कि मंच में image, सच में इतकन थावन. So I mean, be carefree as you can be. That's how an artist is supposed to be.
But isn't it very different from जो आप दोनों ने बॉम्बे में देखा है, where people are extremely image conscious, where everything is very very monitored, कि आप क्या बोल रहे हो, क्या पोस्ट कर रहे हो. When you work there, या जब आप उन या labels के साथ काम करते हो, don't you feel कि this is such a different place or work culture
I
to be
think
at?
अगर वहाँ पे वैसी चीज़ है, हमारे साइड से भी कुछ ऐसा होता है कि that we definitely filter out who to work with.
Right.
We
Right.
can level
Come up to that.
frequency or the wavelength.
And I also think कि, whenever we have gone there, we have seen कि they see us as something very fresh. Because जब आर्ट को आप एक कॉर्पोरेट चक्कर में चलाते हो ना, it starts getting monotonous.
True.
Just like any other corporate.
Of course.
But the free spiritedness of how we do art, we don't make content, we don't make a product, we make a piece of art. That's how it is for us.
True.
So to basically be there and those people who work with us there, they're also sometimes reminded ki, okay, so yeah, I mean, this is what we really are there for, to make art.
True.
Not a product that we are supposed to submit by the deadline, before the deadline.
बेसिकली हमने एक दूसरे को कभी एक लूप में कैप्चर नहीं किया.
हाँ.
हमेशा पूरे टाइम एक्सप्लोर करना है कुछ ना कुछ. एंड एक बार अगर वो लूप बन गया, वो टॉक्सिक बन जाता है. अब हर बार वही सेम चीज बना रहे हो.
हर बार I think, in fact, वहाँ जाके we got to learn a lot of things. See,
मुंबई ने हमें बहुत कुछ दिया.
हम तो इतने फ्री हैं कि हम कुछ भी बनाने को बना लें, कुछ भी करने को कर लें.
True.
Sometimes when a guy like this is told कि भाई तू मेरे को ये करके दे सकता है क्या? And we're like, करें.
Why?
And I think we are actually on that path now. We can try and do this, we can do that. Matlab, you can go make a commercial massy song, you can go make the most indie song out there. You can be anything.
Totally.
Then how would you define somebody who does think? Because at one point of time, especially क्योंकि हम लोगों के जो करियर्स हैं, जो प्रोफेशंस हैं, इसमें आना इज नॉट इजी. आई एम श्योर यू मस्ट हैव वेज्ड वॉर्स विद योर फैमिली, डिस्कशंस एंड क्या नहीं हुआ होगा घर पे.
Obviously.
कि
लोगों से पहले खुद से. एक
खुद
जंग
से.
हमारी खुद से होती है.
Yes.
जब हम वो जीतते, फिर हमें पता चलता है, अच्छा अब लोग भी हैं, दुनिया यहाँ पे है जो हमें जज करने वाली है.
हाँ.
Understand?
और क्योंकि सबसे बड़ी वो खुद वाली जंग बड़ी होती है कि खुद को अगर तुमने बोल दिया कि हाँ मैं ये क्यों कर रहा हूँ, ये मेरा पर्पस है, then I think you can win any war.
Totally.
The next level would be the parents, especially Kashmiri parents.
All about the clarity
So
you करना.
because यहाँ चीजें unfortunately the history of the state has been so unstable. People have wanted to go towards stability, which जो आपको गवर्नमेंट जॉब से या बहुत जेनेरिक प्रोफेशन से आती है. So how hard was it convincing your parents? I mean, at least because it was hard.
We
It
should
was.
start with Heather.
Yeah, I think I should. Either why don't you start with
Exactly.
it?
पता है क्या मतलब? Usually सिंगर, गिटारिस्ट बनना है, ड्रमर बनना है, बहुत नॉर्मल चीज़ है. मतलब नॉर्मल ऐसे नहीं, कॉमन है. एटलीस्ट इन चीज़ों का कंसेप्ट है, लोगों को पता है कि ये
Correct.
क्या करते हैं. म्यूजिक प्रोडक्शन, बंदा लैपटॉप के सामने बैठा है 24 घंटे, क्या कर रहा है हेडफोन्स लगा के, नो वन नोज. 6 साल में अपने घरों पे यही समझा रहा हूँ कि मैं लैपटॉप पे कर क्या रहा हूँ. इस चक्कर में मैंने लॉ कर लिया, मैंने क्या नहीं किया. मेरा मेडिकल प्लस मैथ था.
Oh my
वो करके
God.
मैं अभी संगीत बना रहा हूँ क्योंकि मुझे यही करना था. अब मैं ये सोचता हूँ कभी अगर इतना टाइम वेस्ट नहीं होता,
That's not
लेकिन
very
एट द
much.
सेम टाइम ये लिखा हुआ था सर, अगर मैं इसी टाइम पे कर रहा हूँ
हाँ।
ये लिखा हुआ था, इसका मतलब
Yeah.
तो मे बी वो जो सारी पढ़ाई हुई है दैट यू हैड टू गो थ्रू दैट रट टू बी वेरी डिसाइसिव कि यार मेरे को यही
Exactly
करना है, मैं
यही
सब
करना
ट्राई
है,
कर
exactly.
चुका हूँ अब तो।
वो क्लैरिटी अचीव की मैंने, वो सारा कुछ घूम फिर के आ गया, क्लैरिटी मिलेगी एंड पे मुझे।
But you're still very young. You've accomplished so much at a very young
you
age,
so
right? Welcome. My pleasure. But do you think people of your age group who are maybe are still older to you, but then of your age group who are in their early 20s, do you think they have this clarity about themselves, about expressing themselves?
Honestly, it all comes from the fact कि आप कितना क्यूरियस हो खुद को लेकर, अपनी ज़िंदगी को लेकर, और कितना क्यूरियस हो खुद को एक्सप्लोर करने को लेकर। मैं बहुत ज़्यादा एक एक चीज़ को लेकर मैं इतना क्यूरियस, जितनी मेरी एज बढ़ती जा रही है मैं इतना क्यूरियस हो रहा हूँ। एंड
True.
मैंने एक बार मतलब सॉर्ट ऑफ इमेजिन किया कि व्हाट इफ मैं इस लेवल पे साउंड कभी क्रैक कर पाऊंगा, कि जो मैं इंडस्ट्री लेवल पे कम्पीट कर पाऊंगा, कि मतलब मेरे गाने, मेरे रिकॉर्ड जो हैं वो लाखों लोग सुनेंगे। इस क्यूरियोसिटी के चक्कर में मैंने मेरे 13 साल चले गए अभी।
वो and that happened जब इसमें वो curiosity थी, with time
Exactly, वो कीड़ा था बहुत ज़्यादा बड़ा
वो बोलते हैं
कीड़ा।
वो सेब
Like our
पक
previous
जाता है
discussion
with
about the
time.
pet, right?
Yeah,
Right.
एक फल को पकने में टाइम लगता है,
बहुत टाइम लगता है।
तो ये वही फल है जो अब पक गया है।
There are so many people जो halfway करके छोड़ देते हैं, छोड़ रहे हैं यहाँ
छोड़
पे,
रहे हैं
because they think कि मतलब नहीं हो पा रहा है यार, इसमें क्या ही रखा है। But I think अगर तुम सही डायरेक्शन में हो तो तुम पहुंच जाओगे।
If you're really true to yourself
Yeah.
and to your art,
You have to be
फिर
honest.
आपको आपका रास्ता मिल जाएगा।
You have to be
See,
honest.
we
अगर
do
आप-
say that कि मतलब you know true to yourself and your art। इस चीज के साथ साथ एक डायरेक्शन जानना जरूरी है। We knew, you know, the first time we went to Mumbai, we knew what we were going there for।
Right.
हमने ये डिसाइड किया था कि भाई वापस हम आएंगे, we'll sign some paper and then come back।
Yeah.
And that's what we did।
There are no schools or people to mentor. There's music is, I think, the last thing people talk about here. There must be something that mentored you or made you realize or pushed you कि यार okay, maybe you have this side जो इतनी artistically inclined है. What were your experiences? Who was it?
I think for me it was listening to a lot of music। My chachu used to listen to music. He was in his university days, or I was very little, so I remember कि you know I used to love it with him। He used to listen to all right kind of music। Back in that time, Lucky Ali, Adnan Sami,
Oh.
Salman Khan film songs। He was a big Salman Khan, Hrithik Roshan fan।
हाँ.
So I think वहाँ से मेरा पहला exposure था, लेकिन I never gave it a thought कि you know I would have a voice or I would sing or like music or do music। But I think over the years of me growing up and my experiences, it became the only way for me to escape reality। तो वो एक खूबसूरत चीज़ मुझे लगी कि you know this is something you start listening to music and everything else is just blurred out।
It's transported to
Yeah.
another level.
म्यूजिक एक अनकही बात होती है जो आप लोगों तक पहुंचाते हो, और वो लोग सुनते हैं जो वो कह नहीं पाते, जाहिर नहीं कर पाते।
आप उनके
Music
advocate हो।
वही है।
That is
Thought।
बहुत बड़ी बात है।
तो ये एक चीज़ ऐसी, जैसे फ़हीम की अलग एक स्टोरी गई, आई थिंक मेरी कोई ऐसी स्टोरी थी, मुझे पता ही नहीं था दैट आई एम अ म्यूजिशियन, बट म्यूजिक कहीं ना कहीं घर में पहले से था बिकॉज ऑफ माय फादर इज अ म्यूजिशियन। तो आई थिंक वो कहीं ना कहीं मैंने म्यूजिक को चूज नहीं किया, म्यूजिक ने मुझे चूज किया।
beautifully said।
Lovely.
Even if by profession I'm an engineer, I was working here, but फिर भी उसमें दिल लगी नहीं लगी मेरी, नहीं था, वो बना ही नहीं था मेरे। एंड ये सिर्फ म्यूजिक के साथ नहीं हो सकता है, देयर लाइक डिफरेंट फॉर्म ऑफ आर्ट।
True.
हर किसी की दिल लगी किसी दूसरी चीज में हो
Yes,
सकती है,
yes।
बट वही है, वो जानने के लिए आपको खुद को पहचानना पड़ेगा। जो हम लाग करते हैं, आजकल की जनरेशन को पता ही नहीं है वो क्या है। दे हैव टू फाइंड देयरसेल्फ, दे हैव टू आस्क देयरसेल्फ। हम इतने हो गए हैं आजकल की दुनिया में कि हकीकत से परे हैं हम। What is the reality? What exactly are you looking for? Have you ever asked? I don't think यहाँ पे ऐसे अगर 10 लोग खड़ा करेंगे, आर्ट को ये भी पता होगा what exactly are you looking for in your life? What's your motive?
True.
Yeah, you know, it's not easy for everybody to get to know their purpose early on। ज़रूरी नहीं है कि आप जब से कॉन्शियस हुए हो आपको तब से अपना पर्पस मालूम है कि दिस इज व्हाट आई एम मेड फॉर।
True.
And I think people who take their time, they struggle the most. You know, I have no idea what I'm about to do, what I want to do. But I think it's a blessing that you get to realize that you have a heart of an artist, and it's a blessing if
And
you
when
do.
you realize that, everything around you becomes
Changes.
an art.
Yeah.
Becomes art. Sorry.
Perspective ही बदल जाते हैं ना.
Because everything changes. But it is a slow process. It takes time.
तो what according to you is maybe the hindrance कि यार क्यों लोग किसी भी किस्म का आर्ट फॉर्म परस्यू नहीं कर रहे? Not just music, but you know, people can write. You guys are phenomenal writers, composers. What do you think is stopping them to even divulge this part?
जब आप म्यूजिक करते हो, you go blind into this game. ये बस आपका दिल कह रहा है कि आपको करना है. इसमें कोई पॉइंट नहीं है कि you know मैं कल को पैसा कमाऊंगा इससे.
It's
no
like
way.
composition and music. Or writing, I would say.
Right.
Composition is like digging. You've been digging since a very long time. And writing is like bleeding.
Wow.
Yeah, having that said, I think वो जो उनको नहीं दिख पाता ना कि they don't see the bigger picture, or maybe they're not that patient or perseverant or far-sighted, whatever you call it. It is in our culture, right? Music and poetry,
Right.
performing arts, हमारे culture में, and I think to keep it alive, we should really
Somebody
pursue
has
it.
to take a step.
We should pursue it, irrespective कि कल को तुम म्यूजिशियन बनते हो
या नहीं बनते.
या नहीं बनते हो, तुम रिलीज कर रहे हो या नहीं कर रहे हो. आई थिंक इट शुड बी, मतलब टेक फॉर एग्जांपल बंगाल.
Right.
Every kid has to learn music. Almost every
Some
kid
sort of art.
has
True.
to learn an art form.
That's true. That's true.
They're inculcating this into their kids. Why? Because they become cultured human beings tomorrow, cultured, responsible individuals tomorrow. Besides being a doctor, the guy is a poet, so he understands the language of heart,
True.
other than just knowing what the heart is.
Very well said.
Right? So I think it's very necessary. I think you should have a bit of idealism to you, a bit of romance to you, and I think these are the things, art, music, are the things
Absolutely.
that make you, you know, they basically
Not-
cultivate you.
Yeah.
That's what I
I
think.
think it gives
They
you a
make
very
you what you
interesting
are.
take. True. You guys didn't have any mentors, but there must be somebody in your I want to talk about. What made you get into this? Apart from your love for music, because production में नहीं घुसते हैं ज़्यादा लोग. I
नहीं
mean,
घुसते हैं.
right? So,
Exactly.
was there somebody that you looked up to, a mentor or someone?
मेंटोर का तो पता नहीं, मतलब आई बिलीव जब भी आप पहली बार, जब तो पहला डेब्यू गाना होता है, उस पॉइंट तक पहुंचने के लिए आपको किसी ना किसी बंदे का पुश चाहिए होता है जो अपना
Correct.
कॉन्फिडेंस दिखाएगा.
बिल्कुल.
एंड मेरा पहला गाना था जाना, नूर मोहम्मद साहब के साथ. वो जी म्यूजिक पे रिलीज हुआ
हाँ,
था.
हाँ, हाँ, मैं सुना. Beautiful track.
एग्जैक्टली. तो वो प्रोजेक्ट मुझे मिला था इरफान बुखारी की तरफ से, इरफान भाई.
Really?
एंड उस टाइम पे मतलब मेरा कोई गाना आउट नहीं था, कोई मुझे जानता नहीं था. अभी भी कितने लोग जानते हैं. उस टाइम भी कॉन्फिडेंस दिखाया जो कोई और कभी दिखा नहीं पाया, लैग करता था हमेशा. वो कॉन्फिडेंस मेरे अंदर था भी नहीं, उसे दिखाया. एंड उनके कॉन्फिडेंस के थ्रू मैंने वो गाना आई थिंक
किसी
2 महीने
में
पे मैंने
यकीन होना
कंटिन्यू
बहुत
काम
जरूरी
किया है.
अगर किसी को आप पे यकीन है तो कोई बात तो होगी.
कुछ ना कुछ बात तो होगी.
कुछ तो बात होगी.
एंड वो गाना जब रिलीज हो गया उसके बाद,
हाँ.
तो वो ऑलमोस्ट सबने सुना. एंड उससे मुझे एक अल्टीमेट बूस्ट मिल गया. मतलब अब तो नहीं रुकूंगा.
एक वैलिडेशन मिलती है ना, मतलब
बहुत बड़ी
एक आर्टिस्ट बोले कितना भी कि मुझे नहीं चाहिए वैलिडेशन, बट कहीं ना कहीं पे you want that कि हाँ मत भाई लोग सुन रहे हैं and they are appreciating what I'm trying to do or say. So I think him getting that
Getting
break
that,
from Irfan bhai, that was brilliant.
बहुत ज्यादा. उसके बाद मैं रुका ही नहीं. अब
But
मैं
why
continue-
production? Why production? I mean, you could get into composing, you get into writing. You have a very good voice.
Exactly. Nice question. So, मैं जब भी गाने सुनता था बचपन में, ठीक है, तो मैं कभी वोकल्स पे ध्यान नहीं जाता था. वोकल्स के पीछे क्या हो रहा है, मैं यही
He
सुन
was
रहा होता था.
circuited that way. बंदा आवाज सुनता है, सुन रहा है टॉइन टॉइन
पीछे क्या हो रहा है, ये सब ये कैसे हो रहा है. फिर मैंने रिसर्च की थोड़ी सी, पता चला एक सॉफ्टवेयर होता है, ये सीखना पड़ता है. वो सीखते सीखते मैं बूढ़ा हो चुका हूँ.
Since
लेकिन मैं पूरा सीख लिया हूँ.
तब से जर्नी स्टार्ट हो गई है.
जर्नी स्टार्ट हो गई. अभी कभी मतलब उस टाइम पे क्लैरिटी मिल गई कि नहीं यही करना है यार. क्योंकि वो ऐसा काम था, कोई बोल नहीं टोक नहीं रहा था कि तू गाना बना दे. दिल से इंसान को फिक्र थी कि नहीं भाई ये खत्म करके उठूंगा ये गाना. जब इंसान अगर मैं लॉ कर रहा था, मैं मेडिकल बस मैथ ये सब सब्जेक्ट्स लिया हुआ था, घर वाले टोकते थे भाई पढ़ाई कर वो सब ये ऐसा काम है कोई बोलता नहीं मैं अपनी फिक्र से करता हूँ and that's the best part about it.
You put your heart and soul into it.
Exactly.
And tell me, I think, you know, we guys sitting here today, हम लोग अलग अलग तरीकों में मिले एक दूसरे से
बहुत
और हम लोगों का मिलना उसके बाद doing the same thing together, it was meant to be. That's what I have, you know, now come to believe because
it's a story ना
कुछ लेना देना ही नहीं था उसका मेरा
Please, we are all
मैं
here.
इसका मेरा
जानता नहीं सफाई को।
nothing.
How did you both meet and then how was he added to the picture?
मैं पहले आया था
बता दे यार मतलब
तो फहीम से मैं पहले मिला था और पहले सुना था इमेजिनरी पोएट के नाम से बंदा बदनाम है
anonymous था मैं तब कोई शक्ल वकल किसी को नहीं पता थी
I still remember the first time I did was almost in 2013 or 14
Hmm.
जो जान की मेलोडी मैंने बनाना स्टार्ट किया एंड 18 में वो कंप्लीट हो गई 2018 में जान वाज कंप्लीट एंड आई वाज लाइक या it's a very beautiful track and all thanks to Rohan as well for producing the song and
So maybe
Co-composing.
just like your father used to sing it for your grandfather, you
so
kind
I
of wanted
dedicated
to
this song
did to
to
your
my
father.
yeah
That's sweet.
and Gana ban gaya I used to be with Rohan and we used to be in Noida only we had a flat there
so तब तक I was also associated with him for Jhelum
Okay.
and so basically अभी Jhelum की बात हुई भी नहीं थी honestly in 2019 I was you know working part time at 92.7 Big FM
In Srinagar?
as a content writer
Damn.
yeah I was not on the payroll officially but then I was there so वहाँ पे I used to call people for interviews and stuff like I used to make lists and stuff तो मैंने एक बार रोहान को बोला कि आ जाओ I knew him from a long time Instagram से and we had plans to do something फिर मैं कहीं वो कहीं and 2019 I came back to Kashmir from Bangalore and we got in touch again और उसने I mean we were planning something and उसके बीच he sent me this song जान बंदियो और मैं तो पूरा मतलब हिल गया वो सुन के I was like कि भाई ये कौन है मतलब that was a period यम सातन मतलब शायद मैं खाइसन फिक्र थी कहीं because nobody was doing something real honestly मतलब you know कि इस लेवल पे कर दिया कि
Next level.
everybody
music,
was
yeah.
just you know awestruck I listened to his voice and I was like man this guy is such a beautiful singer और मैंने वो गाना सुन के उसकी स्टोरी बनाई and thankfully they gave me the song to make the video for
Lovely.
तो जैसे ही मैंने वीडियो तो बहुत बाद में बनी but we guys got in touch and we used to talk like a couple over the phone for hours एक दूसरे को हम composition सुना रहे हैं रात रात
स्टोरी कहाँ क्रैक की मुझे कहाँ पे मैं बाथरूम में शावर ले रहा था
Yeah, that's
और मुझे
true
कुछ ख्याल आया मैं
That's
ऐसे ही
true.
निकल गया देख लो I still remember
That is very much true क्योंकि मतलब you know ये बहुत लोगों को कहते सुना है मैंने कि आप जब एक आर्टिस्ट होते हैं आपको आमद होती है आमद होती है कि मैं ये लिख दूँ you know you are just a instrument वो तो अलग से हो रहा है वो सब
और एक कोई सोर्स है.
तो आई थिंक वो स्टोरी वैसे ही बनी थी कि just I was listening to the song so much the story came on its own similar way में क्या हुआ एक बार I used to paint long time ago so एक दिन मैंने फिर से decide किया कि आज चलो I'll try do something so I started playing Jaan Vandiyo on loop for 3-4 hours and I'm painting whatever is coming in my head while listening to the song and I made a painting and I named it Jaan Vandiyo.
Oh, nice.
That's how close I am to his song and of course then he has sung
He
that
is.
song and Rohan was a part of it so I
think
think
it was
that was how we met but then me and Haider met for another song called Palyaro जो हाशिम का गाना है I did not know Haider कौन है but Huzaif Nazar he's one of our youngest singer-songwriters here he introduced me to Haider because I wanted somebody to save a project
Right.
and he stepped up and he's like I'll do it हमारे पास कुछ 2 दिन थे उसको बनाने में and release dates out है it's like I'll do it and he came and he did his thing I think we went outside to take a break और उस कोचे में चलते चलते हमारी बात हुई मैंने कहा how do you listen to and both of us somehow mentioned Shamoon Ismail So when we mentioned Shamun Ismail, I was like, man, you go there. भाई यही तो है, मतलब हम लोग तो उस चीज को, you know, that's how you connect with
True,
people also
of course.
through music. So I was like कि भाई अच्छा और भी कोई है यहाँ जिसने शामून को सुना हुआ है. And then I think तब से there's no going back. फिर ये बैंगलोर चला गया, अपनी डिग्री की उसने 5 साल की डिग्री. But on and off he used to come. I used to go to Bangalore a couple of times. एक बार अरसलान भी मेरे साथ आया. Met there. So we never, you know, let each other be. Remotely भी हम कर रहे थे कुछ ना कुछ. All of us were like.
फिर जब मैं वापस आया, फिर हम रुके, नहीं. वो रोज गाने बनाते.
And then one time we decided कि now we want to go all guns blazing, and I think
exactly.
now is the time that we are doing
That
it.
was last year,
Inshallah.
last year.
2 years ago.
2
yeah.
years ago.
So is that how KMR came into picture?
Yeah. KMR, like,
We have always had this thought that we have to do something for ourselves and for our community.
and we call it Kashmir Music Revolution.
KMR.
So इसका purpose भी यही है कि
to serve.
revolutionize हो जाए यहाँ पे music का culture revive हो जाए. I won't call it revival of it honestly, because जो एक वो एक wave थी ना, वो जितने टाइम चलनी थी वो उतने टाइम चलनी थी. Like this is a new one. This is a
New wave of
yeah,
it,
this is a
right.
new wave of it. So I won't call it a revival. I'll call it, you know, a revolution. Like something starting from zero.
Zero. True, absolutely.
The best part about this was that we were all in the same frequency or wavelength. Because I was speaking to him about the same thing, and he was like, I'm also thinking the same thing. And then one fine day, Haider ne bhi yahi cheez boli.
That's
So
right.
it all got connected at the same time.
और वो common factor ये भी था कि we had this sense of community. कि यार मतलब मैं तो करने को यहाँ तक पहुँचूंगा, point A से point B तक. तू तो करने को point A से point C तक भी पहुँच जाइए, A से D तक. But what if we
हमारे
do
बाप
it
क्या?
together? Maybe we can like go far beyond what we think we can do. So I think that worked in our favor. Or everybody.
was here to serve.
Yeah.
To be honest to
And
you.
I think not just us, everybody who's not here right now, you name it. Zishan है, Yavar भाई है,
Kasam,
Kasam है,
Ali,
Ali भाई है.
Ali.
All of these guys, like they're our seniors. I have grown up listening to their music on Reverb Nation. तब YouTube भी नहीं हुआ करता
YouTube
था.
भी नहीं था, right.
Bluetooth से smuggle करते थे इनके गाने. वो school bands थे.
MC Clash.
I mean, that is a legend. A lot of people who now we work with, we have listened to their music. Or it feels so surreal to be in the same room as them and
Right.
share their thoughts and get to know कि उन्होंने कैसे शुरू किया है and how they also get a little fascinated about how we guys are now doing it differently.
True, it must be like a giant leap even for those people,
Yes.
because जो उन लोगों ने times देखे and then how you
वो
guys are
बहुत-
working now.
वो बहुत proud feel करते हैं इस बारे में. And what we want to do is like, you know, सबको साथ में लेकर चलो. We never say me, we always say us, because that is what KMR is all about. I mean, I
Literally
think
हम Instagram पे पूरे टाइम देखते रहते हैं कि कौन कश्मीरी आर्टिस्ट है नए. कल हमें और एक बंदा मिला. And उसी टाइम पे हम
पूरी
DM
रात
कर
उसके
देंगे.
सुन रहे थे हम उसके
गाने
covers.
सुन उसको वही DM कर देंगे, bro स्टूडियो पे मिलो. That's it.
That's so
Yeah,
nice.
I mean,
Talks नहीं.
why delay? मतलब तुम
Delay
कल आ
नहीं
सकते हो, मिलो, let's build something.
Exactly.
It's like you guys are giving them the path that you probably had to make for yourself from
Exactly.
scratch,
Yeah. I think
which is great.
you can only empower somebody when you are empowered, when you feel empowered.
True.
We had our course of experiences, जैसे हमने खुद को empower किया किसी हद तक, and we got to know कि कैसे चलती हैं चीज़ें, what are the findings of if we traverse this path. Now what we know, this is meant to be shared.
True.
You know, not, if say for example, not everybody from Kashmir can go to you know, Mumbai for a trip and then see how if
How
fate
things
works in their
work there.
favor.
True.
But I think these people here now in Kashmir, being here in Kashmir, they can still be mentored and guided in the right direction about how to make music, how to do these collaborations. If you're just a singer, how do you collaborate with a lyricist? How do you compose things? How do you produce, and then how do you release and market?
True.
That is an equally important aspect. Matlab, we only focus on the art part of it, but I think the business part of it is very equally important.
Absolutely.
कि आपने एक गाना बनाया, अब इसका मैं करूँ क्या? Like if I put it out there, will people see it? How will they see it? Will they watch it? So all of that has to, it is a capsule now
True.
that we are actually, हमने अपनी real life experiences से decide जान लिया है कि ये क्या है. Now we just have to give this capsule to the other person so that he also knows what we know.
ये घोट के खा ले हो जाएगा थोड़ा सा. No, but all of you moved out of Kashmir at some point in time in your lives, right? Do you ever feel that had you stayed there and had you maybe pursued music there, it would be very different? Like your music would have been very different from how it is now?
I don't think I would have been a musician if I was elsewhere.
No?
सवाल ही पैदा नहीं होता. I wouldn't have been a musician or an artist if I was elsewhere. It is this place that does something to you. It prompted me again and again. It keeps you bound. It keeps you bound, यार. मतलब
जगह आपको तराशती है।
हमारा सोर्स ऑफ इंस्पिरेशन घर ही है हमारा.
yeah,
घर, यहाँ के लोग, यहाँ की हवा,
we only
हवा में ही आर्ट है आप ऐसे।
हम बाहर इसलिए बस जाते हैं कि we record, we have meetings and all of that. But to find inspiration, other people try and come here to unwind and relax.
Right.
And now you are in a place where you are always in a state of unwinding yourself. So why not be here and explore what is within you? Because art is, it's all about what is within. ठीक है, आपने बाहर क्या देखा उसको आप absorb करते हो, आपके अंदर से होके फिर as a piece of art बाहर आता है. So I think this place, especially where we live, the Dal Lake,
The Dal Lake
Srinagar
area.
city, it has been very significant for us to even like think कि we can be artists. And it's a different level of pride when you're an artist from Kashmir. I don't know if anybody else will like, resonate with that thought. Lekin when you proudly go out there and say that you're an artist from Kashmir, it is a representation. We are ambassadors when we go out. So it gives that sense of pride a little bit.